Hi guys, welcome back to Single Step English. I'm Steve, and today we're diving into another fascinating English expression, cost an arm and a leg. Ever heard someone say that and wondered what it means? Well, stick around because I'm about to break it down for you. When we say something costs an arm and a leg, we're not talking about a literal body part. Instead, it means that something is extremely expensive or costs a lot of money. It is like you must give your arm and leg to pay for something. It's a colorful way to express just how pricey or expensive something is. For example, imagine you're shopping for a new car and the one you want costs $80,000. You could say, wow, this car really costs an arm and a leg. Or let's say you're planning a wedding and the venue you want charges $20,000 just to rent the space. You might say, I love this venue, but it's going to cost us an arm and a leg. Let me know what costs an arm and a leg in your country in the comment section below. So, the next time you hear someone say, costs an arm and a leg, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. It's that something is super expensive. Keep practicing your English expressions and remember, every step brings you closer to fluency. Aren't you glad that my YouTube channel does not cost you an arm and a leg? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.